Naman si Mr. Squirrel, inalis namin yung pagkain ng cardinal sa mesa, inihang ko. Ayun, he's finding a way to get to it. Tingnan natin kung kaya mo. Hindi naman kasi sa iyo yun eh, binibigyan ka namin ng ibang food eh. Oh now, the hummingbird cannot get into. He's afraid of the squirrel. Oh, bumaba na siya. Inom na lang siya ng tubig. Just drink water. Uy, meron akong hummingbird. Oh, yun. Hummingbird. Nauhaw si squirrel. Studying how he can get through the bird seeds na isinabit ko. Ayun no, sa paso. Tapos pinatungan ko ng parang plate. Hindi siya makapunta. O, tingnan mo, pati tuloy yung dove natatakot. Hindi makalapit. Yung damo sa ilalim ng bird feeder, namamatay na. Dahil sa kanilang paghahanap ng food doon sa baba. Mga nahuhulog. Hey, jump. Uy! Did you see that?
No.
He jumped. Tried to jump. He attacked the bird. He attacked the dove. He tried to jump high. He's only like few inches away, and he could have made it. Eh, ikaw kasi kinakain mo yung hindi para sa'yo eh. We're giving him nuts naman once in a while. He's going crazy studying how to get to the food. Ayun na, ilagay namin dyan. Merong food sa ibabaw nung parang plate. Kasi gusto namin sa cardinal yun eh. Let us see, he might try to jump again. Look. He's looking up. He can smell it for sure. Oh, here's a dove. Sarap lang ng aking libangan. May hobby. Watching wildlife. I want to see him try to jump again. Lunchtime na kasi kaya yung mga ibon nagugutom na oh. Ang dami. Walang pagkain dyan. Work for it. Jump. Oop. Oh, he will try to walk on the line. Walk on the line. Uy. Nope. Said nope.
Gonna have to put up a fish line.
Dami nila, oh. But they are all afraid of the squirrel. See, they all go away. They can gang up on him.
Yeah.
3 of them. Lundag, jump! Ano kaya kinukutkot niya doon sa damo?